going now to the activity center of the camp. We're climbing up the hill. Hi. Be careful, Mutya. Say hello. Betty. Hi. Lance, wave. Hi, Lance. Angela. Angela. Come on, Dai. Wow. Owen. Say hello. Girls, say hi.
Hello.
Ble.
I'm busy. Like a medium.
Hello, Cody. Why you are alone there? Come here, come join us.
I can't get off.
Say hi. Hello. I will post this in the youth club. Ang ating pinakamagandang leader ng ating tour. Vice Ganda.
Vice ganda.
Our Vice President, Ellie Gado. Hi girls and boys. Hi Jason. Hello. Hi Ken. Itong gwapong si Ken. Galing pa ng Pinas. And of course, Mr. Tabios. And Kude. How are you, Kud? Ay, Pupu. You're going to Pupu. We're going back shortly, Dai. Okay? Paano yan? Pupupo ng ating anak dito. Oh, lovely, nice. Lovely and nice. Pupo na lang sa tabi ng puno, Day. Just wait, just wait. We're going back shortly. Hello, Ate Bianca. Ang ganda ni Ate. Okay, Day. Okay.